Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Meanwhile in Real Life with Soya.
I'm here.
So today we are going to talk about perfumes. So I have a few perfumes which I really like and cherish. So I thought let me share with you. Most of them are yes expensive, so which is why you see the title as well that it's not affordable category. But yeah, these are the perfumes that you can buy and you can invest in because one or two pumps of them, sprays of them, go a long way. So I'll be telling my top 5 favorites and two bonus or three bonus. I'm yet not sure about it, but yeah. So before we start, it's very important to understand what does different terms mean, right? Because we hear perfume, we hear cologne, we hear EOD toilet, we hear mists, we hear deodorants, we hear roll-on. So there are a lot of these categories that are available today. So while you're buying, what are the few things that you should be thinking about? And everything has a different price. Like if you'll go to buy, for example, a Victoria's Secret perfume, when you'll see that if it's a EOD perfume versus it's a mist, the price difference is also a lot. So why is it that? So let's dive quickly deep a little into it. So I'll be talking about maybe five different categories of these. First, let's start with perfume, which is the most common one that we see and that we hear, that okay, it's a blanket term that we use, right? But it's not. So perfumes are basically the ones that have the most extract of the smell. It is like, so in every perfume you'll see that there is a certain level of alcohol content that they mix to dilute the fragrance. So if you would have heard about itra, they are the pure perfumes, like pure, they are the pure smell and fragrances. And उसको आप या उस smells को आप जितना जितना dilute करते रहते हो, your categories keep on changing. So itra, keeping itra aside, if we come on to perfumes, so perfumes are the largest concentrate of oil they have, concentrate of fragrance oil they have. So it's about 20 to 40% of concentrate that they have. And because of that they last really long. Like if you've sprayed a perfume somewhere, it'll last you 8 to 12 hours. That's how they claim, and it does. Many a times I remember that, if it's a good perfume and I'll spray it on one of my dresses, and I'll even take it out after 5 months, 6 months without washing, it'll still have that smell. So that for sure is there. So 8 hours is minimum that the smell remains. So that's the first category. Second, we come on to EUD perfume, EDP, which you would have seen at a lot of places. So that's the number two in the same thing. Okay, the concentrate reduces to 15 to 20%, like it was 20 to 40 in this, it reduces to 15 to 20%. And that lasts also slightly lesser, like it's something around 6 to 8 hours. Like that is above 8 hours for sure. This is 6 to 8 hours, sometimes more than that also, depends on the concentrate again. Third, EOD toilet, which is EDT, which comes third in the category of these perfume. Here the concentrate reduces to 5 to 12% in terms of concentrate, fragrance oil concentrate, and it lasts from 3 to 6 hours. So this is the third. And price wise also it reduces. Okay, like the perfume will be the most, while अभी तक जितनों की हमने बात की, EDT will be the least. Then comes the fourth category, which is a cologne, which is EOD cologne. Also, you might have seen somewhere. It's called EDC. So perfume, EDP, EDT, and EDC. Now we come on to EDC. Has a concentrate of 2 to 5%, which is much lower if you compare it to the perfume. And 1 to 3 hours is what it'll last at. Again, these numbers are not strict numbers, it keeps on changing from brand to brands, but this is the blanket thing where how the terminologies are defined, right? And lastly, in this category, which we'll talk about, are the body mists, which is 1 to 3% of fragrance oil, and it lasts from 30 minutes to 2 hours, depending on again your concentrate. So uske baad comes your deodorants and other things. So these are the 5 major ones, and iske upar, as I said, it's itra and all of those things, and iske niche are mists and these things. Okay, so mine also, what I'm going to talk about is a mix of these, my top 5, yes, which we're going to talk about. So yeah, let's dive into it. So number 5, we have this one, which is Jo Malone London Honeysuckle and Divana cologne. So this is a cologne, okay, the fourth in the category. So it's a very nice perfume. It lasts long. It lasts pretty long. It has a very um cheerful, see, I'm not a professional to tell you that what notes it'll hit, but I can tell you what it feels like when I'm smelling it as a human, as a so it's a very day kind of a perfume, where you are going to like a forest, or you have something very foresty smell, fresh and foresty smell. It has very floral, foresty, playful kind of a smell is what I can say for this. And it's definitely a daytime kind of a perfume. It will make you feel fresh instantly, like you'll apply it and you'll be like so fresh. So it's one of those kinds, a very good, like I really like the smell. Yeah, this one is also a little musky, I would say. It has a little bit of strong musk flavor, but with hints of fruits and forest and that kind. So it's a mix of not fruits, floral and forest and fruity and musky. It is on that sort. Good investment, and it lasts really long. On number 4 will be this one for me, which is Eternity for Women, Calvin Klein. Now, this, I don't know, I think it's a perfume, as far as I remember. Yeah. So, this one for me is again a very floral smell. So I like floral and fruity smells. I'm more onto that. So this is also very nice floral smell. It again makes you feel very confident and very fresh instantly. It has notes of a lot of flowers mixed together, and this makes me feel very formal. So like if I'm going for a formal event or something like that, I try to spray this, because it gives me that very good formal kind of a vibe, and it uplifts you. It makes you chic, like feel chic and clean and nice and that way, but lasts really long again. A very good perfume that way. On number 3 is this one, which is Clinique Happy. So this is, I think, amongst the lower ranges. Isko sale mein, if you'll buy it, you'll get it really well. You can see how much less it is left. So it's a very nice orangey feel. This is the freshest of all that I have. Like even the ones that I'll show you later, this is the freshest. Like if you are feeling dull on a day, you just have to spray this and you're done. And this also lasts really long, not as long as the other two that I've talked about, but this also lasts long. It gives you a very fresh orangey notes, and again a daytime kind of a perfume, where you'll feel very juicy and citrusy and orangey in the morning if you have it. So yeah, everyday wear, and for casual, like I prefer this for casual, while this Calvin Klein for more professional meetings and all. Okay, now coming on to my top 2. On second is this. So this is Victoria's Secret Bombshell. So this is a mist, okay, and I want to buy the perfume, but I've not bought yet. But this is so amazing, I cannot tell you. Like it's a mix, it's a very good mix of floral and fruity. It's very good. Like this was a perfume I fell in love on my first sight kinds. It stays for really long, the perfume. This is a mist, and mist also stays really long, but इसको लगाना बहुत पड़ता है. And इसका perfume I have to buy, but इसका ना perfume I had so I'd been to Bali once, and वहाँ पर ऐसा ये Kuta करके एक district है where I was staying, and I just happened to visit this place called Kuta Scent Perfume. So there they used to make dupes of everything that you want. So I remember I had gotten this one dupe there, and this is a proper perfume. Okay, this is a proper perfume. They made the concentrate in front of my eyes, and this is EOD perfume, EDP. So they had options कि आप EDP भी बना सकते हो, EDT भी बनवा सकते हो, आप cologne भी बनवा सकते हो, आप mist भी बनवा सकते हो, आप जो चाहो वो बनवा सकते हो. तो I went for this, and it was of course, as compared to the original price, it was very sasta. I did not get a bigger bottle because I was not sure if it will work well or not, but it did, and it smells really amazing. It smells exactly like this, but lasts really long. You can see I've just finished it, so which is why I've not finished this much, because iske do teen sprays are enough. But this is a very good smell, and it's a perfect balance of fruity and floral. Now, coming on to my first. So this is Burberry Body Tender. This is more on a floral side, but again, it mixes floral and fruity together. This is a perfume. Whenever I have applied this, I've got compliments, and I just feel so good after applying it. I cannot express my feels. I don't use it much. I save it for my very special occasions, because I have this thing that the perfumes are to be applied at certain times and at certain places, I associate places and my days with the smell I'm wearing. So which is why I keep it for very very special occasions, and beach mein ye out of stock ho gaya tha har jagah se. So I've already used one full bottle of it, and this is the second bottle that I'm using. So this was something. I just love this smell. So this, I have a lot of nostalgia also, where I just love this perfume. So I don't use it much, because what if it goes out of stock and there's nowhere is it available? And I think it was not available last time when I checked. So coming on to it, it is a very nice, balanced, fruity and floral smell. It again gives you a very fresh vibe. It is very light, it's very light, but it's like that kind of a sophisticated luxury smell that you apply it and someone will pass by and be like, very nice smell, but it's not, hitting on your on your nose ki, oh, what the hell is this. It has sense of a little sense of rose, and very soft fragrance. And it's very modern and graceful, I would say. It's like that kind of, it screams luxury, and it's understated. It's amazing. This is my favorite, and I'll swear by this perfume like anything. If I have if somebody can ask me to buy one perfume, it will be this. If floral and fruity is something that suits you, it has to be this. Okay, now I have four as special mentions. Quickly. One is this one. This is Guess Ka Bella Vita. So this I've not used. This is also slightly on the lower side, and but lasts really long, really long. This is also very fruity and a very playful kind of a thing. This is like a casual friends outing kind of a perfume. You go out with friends, you put it. It's a little fruity, lemony, but also a little bit of floral. Like its sweetness is also there. So it's a very sweet perfume, I would say, and it's more like a girl's day out or an evening out kind of a thing. So this is that. Second one is this one, which is Rituals, and the Ritual of Sakura. So this is a hair and body mist. So you can apply to hair and body, but as a mist, it is really strong. So I don't like very strong smells in general. So with me, that's a slight bit of issue. So this is stronger for me, on the stronger side, क्योंकि मेरा सर दर्द होने लगता है if the smell is really strong. So this is that kind of a little stronger smell, but I have mentioned it here because it lasts really long. Mist के हिसाब से it's really long lasting, and this was the first time I saw that there's a hair mist also, like your hair to smell well you can apply this mist on that also. So it's a hair plus, and why I hold a very special place for this is also because it's nostalgia. I got it from Netherlands. This was the only thing I bought from there, and Rituals is a Netherlands Dutch company, I think. So this is the only thing I bought from there, one for myself and one for my sister. And so it's more from that, coming from that nostalgia. It's a really good smell. It makes you feel that it's cherry blossoms. Like, you can, if you're amidst the cherry blossom fields, this is what you'll smell like. That is exactly what it is, and it lasts long, as I mentioned. It's for hair as well as body. It's totally safe for hair as well. So a good perfume, not a perfume, it's a good mist. But yeah, I will not maybe repurchase it. I'll just keep this bottle as always a souvenir of me, uh, that I got from Netherlands. So other two perfumes I don't have with me, but these I'll put pictures. One of this is Versace. So this one is a perfume that my mother used to apply, and she was a lover of rose perfumes. And so this is more like a rosy. It's totally floral, no other notes, and it's more of a rosy smell. It lasts really long. Like, my mother's saris still have those smell, like 8 years, 9 years, 10 years. The smell still is there. Like, it's still there if you don't get them dry cleaned or washed. So a very good perfume. I'll definitely buy this one. It's more again for nostalgia for me, but again, if I'll see that way, it's a very good perfume because it has good smell, a very feminine, floral, rosy smell, but not very strong, because strong perfumes I cannot bear at all. But with that, it's very long lasting. So it'll be that. And the last one is this one from Chanel. So this is in my list to buy next. I'm waiting for some good discount on this on Nika or somewhere. But this is a perfume that I'm so much in love with. Like, after Burberry, if there's some perfume that I have been obsessed with, it's this Chanel perfume. So this one again is very it's a very tender floral and fruity mix. It's like Burberry only, like how Burberry screams luxury, this also screams luxury. It won't hit you hard, but it'll, somewhere you'll have that, oh wow, the smell is so nice, and in that environment that smell will be there. And it's a very um, tender and delicate, like a poetry. It's like a poetry, the smell. So yeah, let me know if you would want me to make a video on the affordable perfumes that I own, because I do own quite a few of them as well, and there are a few which are very long lasting and very nice. So I would definitely make a video on that. And yeah, so next time when you visit any of the malls, do try these perfumes. Do go inside a Jo Malone and a Nika and a Sephora and try these, and see if you like them, see if you would want them, see if they are long lasting enough for you. And let me know in the comment section your favorite perfumes, the perfumes that you love, that you feel are your signature. You can also mix perfumes, like I like mixing perfumes. You can do that as well. So yeah, let me know in the comments, how did you like the video? And please, please, please like, share and subscribe. Every like matters, every view matters, every subscriber matters. So thank you so much. Bye.